So I'm Joe Flynn from Jabra here at TD InVision to showcase the PanaCast 40 VBS. So this is our newest video bar system in our line of video products. You may be familiar with our PanaCast 50, but our P40 VBS is the newest addition. So you still get the 180-degree field of view. It works with Zoom rooms, Teams rooms, BYOD mode. We made a few improvements and a few changes from our other video devices. So number one, very easily accessible ports in the back of this, right? You saw that I just folded it down, some cable strain relief, you have easy visibility on what you have, so whether it's the HDMI ingest, single HDMI output, USB, Ethernet, whatever you need, very easily accessible. On top of that, we've changed the mounting, so we've improved it to make it easier so you can mount it to a tripod, a table stand, a wall mount, a monitor mount. So you don't have to get any other additional accessories, you can just mount it right up with whatever comes right out of the box and then just fold it up and you're ready to go. On top of that, now we have a removable face cover, so you can access the easy reset button as opposed to using, say, a paperclip or anything else, easily accessible. And we also have an optional easy clean cover that's all plastic, so if it needs to go in, say, sort of a clean environment, you can easily wipe it down and not worry about this cloth one getting covered in dust and debris. And moving over to the touch controller, right? We've had a touch controller with our PanaCast 50 VBS. We've made a few different changes to it for the PanaCast 40. We have an additional occupancy sensor on the top and on the bottom, and even better, if I flip this over, now you can have it mounted at an angle. You can see the design on the back of the stand here to where you have the river. If you match the river with the river, it'll be mounted at an angle, but if you flip it over like this and have the trees and the house and the birds and everything facing up, it'll now mount flat on the wall. But one other thing that we're really proud of with the PanaCast 40 VBS is the box. So we know how important provisioning is with video devices, so we've improved the box to where now all you have to do, if I get this the right direction here, is you slide this little panel over to the right. You have easy access to the back of both the bar and the touch controller so that you can plug it in, get it provisioned, close it up, send it off on its way, and then you can label everything on the top of the box so they know where it's going, how it's getting set up. Is it Wi-Fi? Is it wall mounted? Is it going to be mounted at an angle with a touch panel? Is it Teams, Zoom, whatever you may need, so that you can go from out of the box to your first meeting within 12 minutes. And so that's all about the PanaCast 40 VBS. For more information, please feel free to visit us at jabra.com.